Yeah, you know it's Rastafari, soldier, yeah. Greetings and welcome. I am the Crocus farmer, aka Rastafari soldier. Yeah, as you see, you know, I man walking along and look a little bit dirty because I was doing some construction earlier today. Yeah, but I'm on the farm. As you see in the background right here is a beautiful mango tree, yeah. And the place is fruitful and nice all the time like that. It's mango season, so just want to touch a little mango right here, you know. For more life and more joy, more happiness. Stepping out in the field, feeling a little bit sad still, you know, because I have to roll through still, you know. Take a time, look at the illustrious farm, yeah, all the time. We're on the farm live. Crocus farmer, yeah, aka Rastafari soldier. Let you know you're live from Jamaica. And we just wanted to take a look at the many fields, the peanut fields. This is what we live like here. Peanut all over the place. This is like first crop. Of course we have corn all over the place. Just walking through the farm with my cousin really. This is where we cultivate. It is the lifestyle of the farmer. And this is peanut right here. Looking at the peanut crop, you see it's a beautiful green. You know, it's scattered peanut, so it's not in rows. So what they do is they plow the land and they scatter the peanut. Make sure that the land is well plowed. You see the topography is beautiful. We're on here on the mountainside, and it's some kind of a, I would say, nostalgic situation. Red dirt road, looking at the ackee tree. Yeah, many children abroad will not see these. Well, children, these are goats. And we're on the farm, so you're going to see goats, donkeys, cows. You're not going to see any wild lions and tigers or anything like that. But just wanted to take a moment, touch the field as you're looking over here. I think this is Daisy's cornfield right here. You know, we're on the farm, straight on the farm. So just wanted to take a time to let you see that the whole community cultivate. And they cultivate year around. Yes. And the goat want to be on the camera, so just put him on it. And my cousin said we gotta go cause I got a surprise for you. So just stay tuned. Yes, it's the Crocus farmer. You're watching, you know, Rastafari soldier on the farm. Always on the farm. General Fire Key rolling in the back right here with me. So, you know, here is my favorite tool right here. A cutter. This is what they use to plow the field. This is a cutter, ladies and gentlemen. So what they do is they connect it to a tractor and it draws it and it spins and it propagates the actual ground. You see what I'm saying? So